know what? Don't worry about it. I can cut the video later on. But this is the first question that Anita came in because she was having an issue. I don't know, Anita, if you hear, mute yourself. So I just wanted to make sure that you understand the concept of trading this pair here. But first thing first is she was saying, Irvin, the 4 hours keep switching places to places. But first question that Nita was supposed to ask herself is, what is my master trend doing here? I told you guys this was in a sell position. Even in case you don't have the Fibonacci, always pay attention to our brothers and sisters. Those use this as a Fibonacci levels. Look at here, market, it came a little bit shy and retest from there. So don't pay attention to the 4 hours. 4 hours, in my opinion, they're minors. So if you want to see this is the Fibonacci levels. That's what the Fibonacci will mostly respect the brothers and sisters. So in this one here, market is in a downtrend because I think she was saying, oh yeah, it repaint, but I don't know where exactly she took that trade. Because if we zoom in back to normal, now that we know the market is giving us a brothers and sisters going in continuation of the trend, then that's all it is. I don't know where she was seeing it. Maybe this is all I can guess she was doing. I don't know if she's here or not, but maybe she saw a red arrow here. But if there is no other communication saying the market is gonna drop, then I would not look into it. Maybe it was another arrow here. This is 4 hours is minor to me. I'm looking to retest this previous 4 hours in daily there. That is the magic of the Fibonacci. Now that I'm seeing here, okay, I'm coming here, and now I see 4 hours in daily popping in. And by the way, I gave you guys this pair on Sunday. Sunday, and I said the market was gonna be in a downtrend because I was not seeing any arrow going again, in the opposite direction. And right now, the market is just going, to be honest, not doing much, but it's just doing back and forth, slowly it's coming down. But I don't see anything else. That's what sometimes I don't know how to answer the questions because I know probably what you guys looking is you guys translate it in a different way and then stick to the rules, guys. There is a PDF in there that print the PDF that will help you tremendously to look at the picture. Always be patient. Fully wait until 2-3 dots, yellow dots, confirm that that entry is correct. Or if you don't, let's say you missed that right? So wait for this one to do whatever it has to do. Most likely it will do a small retracement and wait for the 4 hours to pop in here. Probably this week, you're not gonna be trading this pair, but the next week, most likely you will. So once you have the next 4 hours popping in here, going in the same direction of the magic arrow here, then yes, you will take it as a sell. But you have to find your niche, guys. Is either if you're gonna be a long-term or scalping the market. Because in here, if you would have scalped the market on the 5 minute, there is money in there. I know, look, the pair that I was taking, that I trade this week, 2 trades, guys. One is Euro GBP as a sell, and the other one is the Euro USD. Look, on these pairs that I give you Saturday and Sunday, that's what I always say, guys, this is not signal, but some of them are my own trades. The thing is that I don't want to disclose it because I want you guys to see what works best for you, because we're not here to aim 100% on our trade. Well, I'm here to win 75%, but I'm on this trade here as a sell on Euro GBP, and I call this out. I know I'm doing a PV, but look, what is rule number 1 that I'm seeing? Oh, Irvin is in a sell position. It's clean. I'm in a sell position. We're looking only for sell, 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 sell. This is when I enter, and I'm here for what? Over a week. I know I'm doing a PV. I'm not worrying about it. So now that I know that I'm in a sell position, I already got my trailing stop active. So let me delete this so I will not confuse you. Then let's go back here. Look at here. Market is giving us a PV. Sure, you could have scalped the market on this PV on the 5 minute. There's money on the 5 minute. This is very important. If you trade the 5 minute, money is there. Let's go to the 5 minute. Remember, you need to put the window side by side, but it's cash in there, bro. Let me make this smaller. Look at here. Here it is. You could have grabbed some money out of this guy here, most likely on the 4 hours. This one came as a bonus. But here, you could have grabbed some money out of it, walk away. How much money do you need? I got no idea, but some of the pairs that I do on my Saturday and Sunday, some of those are my own trades. This is, I'm still on this one in a sell. Once I see, to be honest, this is me, right? Because I hate when the market really goes, do the PV and take some of my my hard-working week that I put on the effort on this one. Because right now, I hate when it does this. Say that's the PV. It's nothing I can do. It will do it. But once I see the 4 hours popping in here, this is what I'm gonna do. Once I see the 4 hour arrow coming in here, I will add one position. First TP is gonna be right where the market do the reversal. First one is gonna be here, mid 50 to 61, boom, in there. So I already recovered all this. Look, but pay attention to this one because this is very important for you to understand. This is how I'm telling you exactly how I do my thing. When I'm on a nice pips, I just want to recover that. First trade that I will take here is this level here. Look, first TP in there. Second TP is gonna be here, this level here, right there. I could just put it in here and say, okay, take me here, TP here, boom. So I recovered all the money. Now what I'm gonna do is gonna move my trailing stop. My trailing stop is somewhere in here. Now I'm gonna move it somewhere in here. The third one, it will be here. And the last one will be here. So all I can think about this pair here, guys, is gonna be a sell position for a while. Month of October is not gonna give us a bullish position. You're not seeing anything. There's no indication whatsoever the month is gonna be in a buy position. The next pair that I'm in, and you could have scalped the market on this one on the 5 minute. The next one that I'm in, to be honest, I'm on Euro USD as a buy. I told you guys was gonna be a buy. Some of the analysis that I do, those are my weekly trades. But the first thing I always say in the beginning of the video is the following. This is not a signal, but I just want you to understand this for educational purpose. But some of them are my own trades that I take on my real account. And look at this one. It paid off well. And I'm still in a buy position. I got nothing to worry about it to say, okay, Irving, market is gonna drop. Yes, I'm seeing this guy here. But what else are we missing? We're missing a whole rack of information here saying, okay, we need like more dots. Look, it's coming and retest this area here, all these 4 hours here. Sure, but still had room. In my opinion, I would say maybe I will consider a sell position on the 38.2 Fibonacci line. But the question here is, where is our brothers and sisters retesting? Because that is the, look, there's no even data, man. Hopefully you guys are paying attention to this one. Look, there's no even data. The market will come and retest. Look, you guys seeing it with me. Let's go to the daily, see if we can catch up another one. Right here, look, perfect hit. Look, right here, boom, one. Next one will be here. Look, it got room to go bullish, guys. Now that we know the levels, that I always go to the weekly or daily so you can take a look at the previous brothers and sisters. Then that will determine your entry. Look, this is what I say on Sunday. Sunday, yeah, this was Saturday. Look, perfect. Look, the market almost is getting ready on the area for reversal. Look at here. Perfect. But in my opinion, this may go up a few more pips before the market drop. But hey, I'm in a buy position. All you need is one good trade to make hundreds and hundreds of pips. Now that's me. That's how I do it. Now, if you want to scalp the market, use the 4 hours. 4 hours, 5 minutes. Grab some pips, walk away, and goodbye. That's how I do it. But I don't see anything wrong on the US peso, to be honest. I don't see anything wrong. Market's still in a sell position. You just gotta be patient when the market is coming on your favor. May not always be there, but be patient. All right. So, all right, let's open to question. And I think someone asked about GBP Canadian, guys, on the chat room. I don't remember who was the trader, but I don't think GBP Canadian is a good trade to be trading. And I didn't want to say anything until we hear live. And let me explain you this one before we go to live questions. If you're new, guys, here, I know Elliott is a senior, but if you're here kind of new and you don't understand the whole system, let us know. But here, look, market here is bullish. A lot of you guys are getting confused. So Irving, but I do see the monthly here. Yes, but it's not lighting up. We want to see everything to be lined up. This trade here is weird. You should be aware. You should not even analyzing this market, to be honest. This is a weird market here. And when you in doubt,
Yeah, that was me.
who was that? Look,
Me.
yeah, man. To be honest, this is bad, man.
No, I know. I looked at it and I seen that the on the top, the monthly arrow was really separated because when I zoomed out, it looked like it was together. And then when I zoomed in, was it that one?
Yeah, yes. I think I wrote it down. I think you asked on the GBP Canadian. There's another one that asks on Euro Canadian as well. So first thing you always have to do is zoom out. Sometimes when you zoom out on 4 hours, the whole picture may not come in the way you want it. So go back to another time frame. Then you're gonna start seeing everything. So in my opinion, this market here is still in a buy position. So, but when you see weird stuff like that, don't even look at it, man. Just you got plenty other pairs to look into it. Like I say, you know, some of those analysis that I do, those are my own signals, man. My own trades. They're not signal to you guys, but they are my own trades. And I know once you master the skills, you will go, you know what? I like this pair, so I'm gonna go with Irving here and there. But this is not good. I don't even know how to explain you. It's just weird, man. All right, but
Yeah, I didn't even get in it. After I posted that question and homeboy said no, I just left it alone.
yeah, and you know, you can add 2 more moving average. My moving average are the 13 and the 26. They're both simple. You can use those, and you can trade it once those crossover in favor of the system. That is a beast. Or either you can use those crossover as a scalping the market. That is a beast as well. So 13 and 26. I think there's a newbie that just joined recently. He using this exact same one as well, so it's good. Okay, thank you for coming in. So someone also asked on Euro Canadian. Euro Canadian is a weird one as well, but we're gonna do it together because I want everyone to understand why it's weird, but we're gonna do it together. I don't remember what was the question that was posted on the chat room, but it was there. When it's there, it's there. Look at this one. All right, so first thing is like, I don't even know what is the master trend in here. Clean. Oh, this is nice. So we all know the market is in a sell position. This is whoever was the person on GBP Canadian, this is what we need to see all the time. Exactly like this.
Actually, that was my question to you too. Because my
Okay.
4 hour had repainted and I seen that it had already raised to the level of the magic arrow. So I was like, okay. If it shoots past this, I know it's going to go back into a sell. And
Okay.
so when I sent you the personal message, I was like, hey, my 4-hour repainted. I'm thinking about opening another position because that's how I
Oh,
killed
yeah. I
that.
remember that. All right, good. Now pay attention to this one. So first thing that we know is bearish. So at least you're in the right direction. I haven't checked the news on this one, but look, it did respect this level here. The support. Look, it did respect the level in there. We knew we were in a PV, and then it broke that level. Okay, the next level that I would think the market was gonna reverse back was on the next brothers and sisters in there. Still, they respect it. So now look at all these touches here. Now it's coming to a very key area as well. 1, 2, multiple touches in here. So by the 4 hours, we need to have more confirmation on the 4 hour. All we know is now market is getting ready to drop. So now that you were the one, so now I can just refer this only to you. So look at here, it came and retested our 100 Fibonacci line here. So now, do you think this is ready to drop or not? What are you missing here? What are you looking for? Because I don't want you to be looking straight up 100% only on the red arrow. I want you to be looking to more data. What are you missing in here?
Well, no, I was thinking since it passed the magic arrow, the brother and sister right there, then it needs the brother and sister needs to repaint up there.
Right.
My stop loss was actually, if you zoom out, it's like maybe 50 pips from hit, about 20 to 50 pips, 25 to 50 pips from hitting my stop loss.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw that you have it somewhere in here.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's check on the daily. The daily don't have. I think that's the far as it can go. I don't see any other brothers and sisters unless it's here. Look, there's no other data. The market is telling you the market. Look, it's retesting a very high level in here, but there's no level. Look, we are on the weekly. There's no other level in there. So that drop is gonna be gorgeous, man. Let's check the monthly. I thought we got area on the monthly. Look at that. There's nothing in there. Okay, so let's go back to the 4 hours. So now, if what I would do is I will wait, because to be honest, now we need to have arrows here. I mean, dots to come in, confirm that this is gonna be a sell. So this is what I think the market will do. Market will drop a bit, so it's gonna start creating those dots in here, and then market's gonna reverse back, but most likely it's not gonna be fully ready this week. And then, yes, the magic arrow may come in here saying, okay, everything match. Then finally next week, market most likely is gonna come back and retest your 23 Fibonacci line. And then still do another small pullback. And finally, it's gonna come back to our mid 23 to our 38 Fibonacci. But you got a long way to go. But this is a good one to put it in your watch.
The watch list.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but that's a good question. But
Appreciate it. Thank you.
If you start making pip this weekend here, but Thursday, Friday, just grab your money and walk away and re-enter it on Monday. But don't let it sit over the weekend, because market will charge you a storage fee for no reason.
Yes, sir.
You can use the same money to make more money. But this is a good one. Okay, so both were yours. All right,
yes,
so I don't know.
Thank you.
No problem. Anita, you here, Anita? No, she's not here. Linda, Sarah, you can unmute yourself from the other side. I think you're asking me access to remote my PC. But if you can mute yourself, I think Sarah had another question. I don't remember what pair was it, but she had a question, but it's there. Yeah, like I say, Euro GBP are my trade for this week, and Euro USD. So I'm making pips, guys. Look, I've scalped the market today. I'm not gonna lie to you. Yesterday I think it was like 480 bucks scalping the market. Today I don't think I'm making much, because I use 3 accounts. Today I'm making $191. Look at that, all blue club. I'm telling you, man. 4 hours and 5 minutes, it can help you. If you divide it by 191 times 4 months, is what, 4,000 or 5,000 bucks. It's nice, man. It will help you pay your car note, take you to a nice lunch, dinner, whatever you want to do. But that's what, probably what, $90,000 a year. It's not bad. I don't even know how much it is, but it's there. It's there. Money is there to be made, man. Let's say you make $4,500, right? Times 12, that's, yeah, 54 bucks, $5,400 still. But it's there. There's money to be made. But this one is not, it's not ready yet. All right. But US peso is good. Look, it's still dropping. This is what I gave you guys on Sunday. Yeah, Sunday I said the market was gonna drop. Still working in that area. It's not, look, if you would have put your stop loss would be 30, 40 pip above the brothers and sisters in here. So this is what the gentleman that just hung up the call, his stop loss is that much. So, I mean, he's still playing around. As long as the market don't take you out, you're still on the trade. But this one is gonna drop slowly. It's just not doing much, but it's just doing exactly what I told you. Sometime market will pay you well. Sometime it's just gonna be slow, but it will reward you if you have the patience. Because this is an art, guys. This is an art. Yeah, man. GBP USD. Is anybody in GBP? Look at what I told you on GBP USD. I'm telling you, man. Sometimes this analysis that I do, guys, there are at least there's 75% winning ratio, man. At least there are. So out of 12, 13 pairs that I analyze, 2, 3 goes, maybe 2 or 3 the most goes against us. Because I can't be perfect. Some months, some weeks I will, but not always, because there's no way. News can impact any pair that I'm gonna analyze on Sunday, because I don't know what the news, which side of the market they're gonna go. I might say it's gonna go bearish, but no, boom, it can go bullish. Yeah, man. But that's what I have. I don't know if anyone has any question. I really apologize, guys. I thought I was live on the other side, so I had to cut 50 minutes of this video, because right now I'm 1 hour and 17 minutes. But Elliott, you got any question, Elliott?
Yeah, I do. Could you tell me your moving averages again that you've been using?
Yeah, the moving, that's a good one. Let me go ahead and bring it up in here. I don't think I have it in here. I have it on my live account.
21 and something?
No, it's 13 and 26, but
13 and 26.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do it without the arrow. Where's the moving average? Why is it not coming in? Trend moving average. Here it is. So the way I have my is 13. And make sure you have it as a sample. You can add magenta. And the next one, just go back to the plus sign here and add 26. You can add it as a line. No, so I changed the color. So this is line, a magenta. And this is green, right? It works pretty good, man. If you're gonna scalp, use this one only for scalping the market. This is good. Look at here. You would have scalped the market and this guy here going as a bullish on the 5 minute. You would have grabbed all that. You knew in here, market's still in a buy position. It's nothing yet to tell you the market is. That's what I was telling you, explaining you. It's nothing yet saying, okay, we are gonna start selling now. There's no evidence. So market, in my opinion, still in a buy. It's still doing that PV. That PV is still accurate. Okay.
But in the Euro USD.
All right, let me bring Euro USD because I don't want to mess up.
On my chart with my broker, I've got a red arrow. So and since it's bullish, I have to wait until the retracement is over in order to get in.
Good job, man. Good job. You just said something that I was gonna say. Yes. So
because a lot of the calls that you made, I missed the trade entry, which was sometime on Monday, I think. And when I went this morning to look, I noticed that almost every one of the calls that you made on Sunday are in a retracement. So I have to just sit and be patient and wait for the retracement to finish, and then I can re-enter or enter for the first time.
Yep. So like this one, right? So I like what you just said right now that it's doing a PV. For you, it's a retracement, but others is a PV, guys.
I'm sorry, I used the wrong word.
No,
oh
that's
God,
good.
whip me, whip me.
Yeah, this pair right now is doing a PV. I'm on this one as a sell, guys. I'm still on the trade as a sell. So this right now is doing a PV. I'm not worried about it, this PV, because I'm here for a long term.
Right. Can I ask one question about the dots?
Yeah.
If it's yellow dots, is that each yellow dot is a day?
Is that represent the daily time frame?
Right, I know it does, yellow. But when you get a yellow, when you have a yellow arrow, which is the daily, and then you get a dot, how much time has passed between the arrow and the dot? Is it a day?
Yeah, once the day closes at 5 p.m., it will give you the daily yellow arrow, a dot.
Right.
Yeah. But right now in here, yes, you are right. Boom. Look at that crossover.
Right.
Yeah, we were here early. Can you imagine you would have popped in on this on the 5 minute?
No, I'm looking at it. I missed it. I missed the move, that first move that you got. Yeah,
make sure you add this one on your mobile. Oh, the RSI, guys. I really wanted to bring up the RSI because this is, I know this should be another class for this to tell you with more specific, but I also use the RSI. Let me see if I can bring it up here. RSI. I don't know where it is. Right here. I don't think I have it in here. 14 is fine. This is the levels that you need to add. So you can add one more. This one you can put it on 20. And this one on 80. Oops. And this one you can put it on 50. So you can put here. This is my retracement area. Let me check my phone. So I want to give you, I'm going to give you exactly what I have here because I want you guys to make money. All right, so I have 63. 63 is my, what is 63? It's a retest sell. So you can just whatever do you retest sell. And the next one will be 37. I'm gonna create an indicator for this one so it can send you a signal to your phone so you don't have to be looking at it. But this is a retest. Let's do retest buy. And this is magic entry, in my opinion. Once it passes the 50, you're in a good area. But this area here are good. So let's put it in there. Look at the benefit in here. Oh, we're on the 5 minute. So you can use the 5 minutes as a retracement. Once it come and retest this area here, look at here, market come here at your 63 retest area. Let me put that vertical line, 63 right here. Boom. Right here, see? Market came here, and the market dropped. Boom. Came back to the 37, almost touched the 37, and the market continued back up as a bullet. You see that? See that, Elliott? See that crossover in there? Boom. It went up, and then it retested a little bit. Boom. And then it came in and retest your retest, and then went back up. Same thing happened here. Market drop here. If you go back to this level here, even you can add another one. Maybe you can add a different level here. You can add 78, 80. Look at these retracement areas in here. Look at here, go back up, boom, 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 boom. Market drop from there. Not much, but if you want to be scalping the market, look, scalping the market, you need to make money. You need to grab money and get out. There's no choice that you're going to be looking at the market and say, oh, you know what? I'm going to wait until whenever the market, no. That's why you're scalping the market, but it's there. Look at here. It came in where? retest area. This is the 37 line. Look, 37, 37, boom, market went back up. Look at here, boom, 63, retracement. You grab the money. This seems not much, but I'm here aiming what, couple dollars. Hopefully this makes sense. If not, we can do another class another time. Look at this one here. Look at here, right here. Put a level in here, boom, in there. You could have grabbed the money. This is the 5 minute. You still would be a little bit patient and the market right. But if you want to do it on the 4 hours, I would suggest you to do it only going with the trend. Once the 4 hours pan, yes, do it in there. See, right now it's 5 p.m. The candle just closed as a bearish. So this one, you see that the red arrow moved, switch. It didn't stay on the previous candle. So in my opinion, the market's still in a buy position. There's nothing you can do. Now, you would have entered in this buy position where? On the 5 minute. Here, brothers and sisters, pan. Look, it came in here, where? At your 37. That's your retest buy, right? God damn, there's a lot of signals since it's 5 p.m. Right here. Boom, 37. And then market went back up. You knew it. Look at what it's sitting right now. It's sitting right now at the 63 level. So it means it will do a small retracement, but it's not there yet. That's what I do. Look at here. There's another one in here as well. You can change this whatever numbers you guys want. If you don't want to see the 50, you can remove the 50. But this is easy, man. Money to be made is on the 4 hours, guys. Go here, go here. Look at this one. This one match. Boom, crossover. Make all the pips in there. Well, this is a PV, right? So this PV here, I don't know how far it's gonna go. Right now, it's retesting this level here. From there, market will drop down. But so far, it's not ready there yet. Look at here. Boom, 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 boom. You would have grabbed this guy here going bullish. You would have missed this, boom. But look at here. It came and retest this area here. All you're looking is this area here. This is the level here. Level. And you can go back over and over and over. Once you break that 50, that means you're in a downtrend. You break that 50 and that bullish, it means you're in a buy position. Right now, I know I'm in a buy position. But it's coming to retest the retracement, which is your 63 and your 37. Okay, those are the one I use. But don't trade on your phone. Your phone will blow your account, to be honest. Only trade on your PC. That makes sense? Or that I confuse you, Elliott?
No, well, it makes sense to you.
Okay, that's good. If you don't get it, it's fine. Don't worry about it. But
no, it's the 5 minute time frame is so alien to me that I can't even look at it actually.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you have
I'm really comfortable with the 4 hour time frame.
Yes, you have to find your niche. Whatever it works best for you, stick to it. Because to me, all I care is I need to be trading in favor of the trend. If the trend is bullish, this market here is bullish, right? Right now. See that? Boom, boom, boom. 4 hours not clean there. It's telling you, okay, I'm gonna drop.
Right. So I'm just waiting for an arrow, right, and a dot.
Dot. Yeah. But it's there, man. Look at this one. This one, a lot of people would say, Irvin, I see the green arrow going bullish, but it moved, of course. Now, look at this. The next candle that we're gonna have to see has to be at 9 p.m. because right now it's 5 p.m. Eastern time. So that's why this arrow didn't stay in the previous candle. So still, in my opinion, still gonna drop. It's not fully confirmed to say that the market is gonna be bullish. It's giving you a heads up, but it's not ready fully there yet. There's missing arrows. I mean, dots. But the I think the 4 hours and 5 minutes is good. Just don't trade your phone, to be honest. I don't recommend it to anyone because the phone, you guys gonna get addicted to it and you're gonna start blowing your account. Stick to the rule. Find whatever whatever works for you. If you are long term, stay to it. If you're a scalper, then stick to the scalping method, but master that skills. All right, guys. That's all I have. Oh, I know I have to delete 1 hour of this video because I was talking to myself earlier. I didn't know that it was not fully active. But any other questions?
Did you get any good answers?
Nah, I knew something. I saw the computer, they'll fade out, and I didn't understand why. Because people were asking me to give them access to my PC. I was like, hey, why would they do that? But they're still doing it, and behind scene, there's 7 people and they are waiting to get access to my PC. I just don't understand why it's there. And then I have other that you guys are live watching it, but and all I know is getting recorded, so I'm gonna put it back to you YouTube. But thank you, Elliott, for coming in. To be honest, some of those trades that I do on Saturday and Sunday, some of those are my own personal trades. The thing is that I don't want to call them out in a specific and then say, you know, guys, this is what I'm going to be trading all this week because, you know, I want to lose or I want to win that 75% winning ratio in a week. But I'm very proud of the team, man. The team is killing it. They're making thousands and thousands of dollars. It's very, very, that was my vision to see this group to grow like that, very successful. And I know those person, you know, they changed their life forever, man. So, but Mike, shout out to Mike, Alvin, you, Elliott, and so many other traders in there as well. They're all doing well. So keep it up. Stay humble. Remember, one day you're gonna get to make hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. You know, always stay humble, man. God first, put God first, and everything will be good. All right, so thank you guys for coming in. I have to cut, like I said, 1 hour of this video, and then I will be posting this on YouTube so you guys can watch this all over again. So thank you, Elliott. Thank you to the rest of the crew.
You're welcome. Thanks, sir.
We'll see you tomorrow then. Take care.
Okay.